International School. Today is very special day. It's our Independence Day. We celebrate it every year on 14 August 1947. On this day, Pakistan became a free country. Our great leader worked very hard for our freedom. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was our great leader. Because of him, we live in a free and peaceful country today. We should always love our country and respect our flag. Let us thank Allah and our heroes for giving us Pakistan. Happy Independence Day. We celebrate Happy Independence Day to all of you. Pakistan Zindabad.